Eicma 2017. This show is presented by Michelin. I'm joined by Shumi. We're having a lot of fun around motorcycles. You've probably seen the 1R concept from Hero, but here's another really cool motorcycle, not a concept, or rather a kit, a rally kit on the Xpulse 200. Give me some deets.
Well, now the Xpulse looks like what we thought it should look like from the beginning, because this rally kit is comprehensive. They've got everything on it. So you've got knobbies at the back. No, I'm not referring to Varun Painter. Actual knobbies at the back. You've got a sprocket kit that lowers the gearing quite a bit. I'd be surprised if this bike hit anything more than 100. But in the dirt, 100 kmph is a lot of speed. Just in front of that are extended levers for motocross boots. They're quite thick. You need to get under that boot to change gears. They've thought of that. You've got 55mm more ground clearance than before.
So that brings it up to 275mm ground clearance, which is a lot.
Yeah, ground clearance. Above that is this flat seat, which is also part of the rally kit, which will also make this motorcycle significantly taller to ride, which is perfectly okay for the dirt. Up here, there's handlebar risers so that your standing position is actually better. And you've got long travel suspension at both ends and adjustable suspension at both ends. That is a solid kit.
In fact, when we were doing a review of the Xpulse 200, a problem that surfaced was there was not enough room to scoot ahead and move around, and that I think the seat is going to solve. This is going to be available early next year, somewhere in January or February, and it's going to cost somewhere around 50,000 rupees is what Hero is saying. I think that's great value for money for someone who is willing to step into the world of dirt riding. So 90,000 rupee motorcycle, an additional sum of 50,000 rupee, about 1.6 lakh rupee for a dirt ready motorcycle. I think that is fantastic.
Yes, and what has to be added to this story is the fact that one, you got a rally kit. It also means your motorcycle is now not legal for road use. This particular one is also running an Acropovich exhaust, which is not included in the rally kit. It's a very important omission. They are working on how to do an exhaust for the motorcycle. Will it be Acropovich or not? We don't know. But this is a comprehensive kit, and if you want to start dirt riding like I do, this is perfect because it's a simple motorcycle. So when you drop it, you don't have to brake too much. But it's got a great chassis. Even the stock Xpulse has a great chassis. This just takes it to another level. There was a little bit of lack of engine power on the Xpulse 200. Won't matter for this motorcycle because in the dirt, 100 kmph, you've got enough. The lower sprocketing does mean they will have snap and wrap. Exactly what you're looking for. Comprehensive upgrade, January, February on sale. I am super excited. This seems like a fantastic idea.
Yeah, this seems like a fantastic idea, and there are a lot more motorcycles that are coming your way from Eicma 2019. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, stay notified, and we shall see you very, very soon.
This is a Motorshow Update presented by Michelin. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that bell icon and hit whatever else Varun Painter tells you to do because I trust this guy. Thank you so much for watching.